Hey guys, this is Lisa back with another video series for you for Elisa Wise Designs, and this time we're going to make what I'm calling a triple pocket folio. And there are kits available, and we'll go over the kit contents in a few minutes, but if you want to, you can go into the description box below this video and there'll be a link to my Etsy shop where you can pick up the physical kits. And I'll just warn you, don't wait if you want these. Last time a kit sold out in about 10 hours, so just fair warning. So if you're wanting to make a special folio for Mother's Day or document those handful of heritage photos that you've got laying around, or maybe you've got 15 to 20 photos from a photo session that you really want to put in one spot and give as a gift, this is perfect for you. So let's unpack this baby. So on the front, first thing that you'll see is we've got this diagonal pocket, and then there are actually pockets on either side of those. And these pockets are independent of each other, which means if you put one in one side and one in the other, there's a divider in there so they're not going to hit each other. So let's unpack this a little bit. So on the front, we're gonna make this little double tag that kind of opens up here where you can put a 2x2 photo if you want to, or you can just add some little decorations here. So cute. I just love this paper pack, and we'll go over that too of what the supplies that we're using. So also in this front pocket, we're making an envelope that opens up like so, and you can put one special photo in there. There's the front of that one. Oh, you can actually put another photo here. That would be cool. Okay, here's our big 8x4 tag that you can put a couple of photos on here. Look at these gorgeous stickers that we use like ephemera on this one. Oh, I just love that. Okay, there's another insert for the front pocket here where you can put a 4x5 photo in a 4x4. So you'd start with a 4x6 and just crop it down a little bit here. And then you've got some paper where you can do some journaling, especially if this is heritage album, or like I said, if you took photos one day and you wanted to document it, then you could talk about that. So let's open up one side here. So this is going to be our little insert, and we're going to be making these cute paper clips. So they're decorative paper clips. They help hold things together like a normal paper clip does, but we decorate them. All right, so here is this, A Lifetime of Love. Of course, there's going to be plenty of all kind of cut aparts or pocket cards, whichever the way that you call them, that you can choose from to put in here. This says, a family like branches on a tree will all grow in different directions, but our roots remain as one. I think that is beautiful. So you'll be able to personalize this if you're doing heritage, or if you're doing something a little more modern. So then this opens on the other side, like so. This one's got a little tag on the front that says family history here. So another 4x6, 4x6, 4x6. Isn't this paper beautiful? Family is timeless. That is so pretty. And then I put another sticker here that says our story. And on the back, you know, I'm a sucker for a good camera. Love that. If this one only had keys in it, it'd be perfect for me. And in case I didn't show you, this is the back. And you want to know something that's really special about this project? We're gonna make two. Yeah, so here's the front. Let me go back here. Here's the front of one. Here's the front of the second one. So if you have got two people to give a gift to, like maybe you want to make one for mom, one for grandma, or one for mom and for mother-in-law, or if you want to give one and keep one, or just make two for yourself, you get it, you get it. Anyway, we're going to make two using, you got all the supplies to make two, and you're going to get a $6 tool called Photo Crop. So we'll go over that when we go over everything that's in the supply kit. So let's go through the second one. We will make both in video, so I will be showing how to decorate both. And you always get in your kit, or if you buy the tutorial only, that full color cutting guide. So you will have all of this pictures in the cutting guide. So I'm gonna take everything off of this one. I left a little paper clip there. Isn't this beautiful paper? This paper is absolutely gorgeous. We'll go ahead and take these out. So like I was saying, when if you put your hand in here and you put your hand in here, they won't touch. There is a divider in here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but there are two different independent pockets. I think that is so cool. So since I have these out, let's go ahead and do that. This is a really fancy paper clip I did. I went a little overboard on this one. I'll simplify it a little bit in the videos. I'm not going to use this black border because it became too thick, but I just love it. So cute. And that will help hold this together, which you don't have to have a closure for these because it's only one fold, but it's fun, something different. Here, and on this one, we use a little tag that says the story of us. See how I love to layer stickers? This one did not come with an ephemera pack, but we got an extra pack of stickers called banners, and we're going to use those like ephemera. Isn't that pretty? I love this. So this you'll be able to actually personalize too, because there's lots of these cut aparts in there. So there's some that says grandmother and father and mother and all and mom. There's all different ones, and so you might want to personalize it by picking a cut apart that pertains to the photos that you're using or who you might be giving this to. So I think that's kind of neat too. I have missed scrapbooking with you guys. It has been a busy first part of the year. I know it has for most people. I'm glad to get back to making some kits and scrapbooking. Look at this. I love this envelope. This is some beautiful, beautiful paper. This is from Simple Stories, right? Simple Vintage Heritage. Pretty sure that's the name. We'll go over. See, I even decorated these little flaps here on the inside. Here is the little insert that's going to be on the front pocket. Another little insert. Just love. I hope you love this. I'm absolutely in love with this paper. So I'm going to move all this out of the way and let's go over what you get if you purchase the kit. So first of all, I was saying you'll get this $6 tool that's called Photo Crops, and it is from Simple Stories. Here's one that is open. So this is what you would get. It's hard plastic. It's reusable, of course. It comes with a ring, but when I use it, of course, I'll take it off the ring. But you can trim your photos and your pattern paper down to these sizes and be able just to put it over the patterns and be able to draw a line or just kind of see where exactly you want to cut. There's a 4x6, a 4x4, a 3x4, a 3x3, and a 2x2. And let me tell you, you will be amazed how much easier this makes this. We're even going to use these to trim down those stickers that I was telling you about, those banners, to use them as ephemera. So you'll get to keep this. So this is a great value in this pack. So this kit is going to be $39.99, and so with taking the $6 tool out of that, you're going to be able to make 2 gifts for about, what, 17 bucks each? I think that is a steal. So these videos are going to start April the 12th. So that gives you a couple of weeks to get your kits in the mail or pick up the tutorial only. That's also an option in my shop. And then that gives you 4 weeks to get this made if you want to use it for a Mother's Day album. So 6 weeks from now is Mother's Day. Can you believe that? Oh, my goodness. Yeah, well, Easter's almost here. It's just this coming week. So you get a baggie full of product. We'll go through that last. You get a couple of big tags. These are 4x8s. You get a couple of pieces of journaling paper, which I thought this was really cool. So you can choose which one that you want to use if you use one in there. And so they're kind of a manila color, which is kind of cool. As always, you're getting the cutting guide. It's 24 pages and it goes through step by step along with the video. I'll reference page numbers and everything as I am making it. So I think this is very helpful. I have a lot of people that's really loves this. So if you just want to get the tutorial only, if I'm sold out of kits or you want to use your own paper, whatever you already have in your stash, you can pick this up for $7.99. Download it. You can print it yourself or just follow along on your computer. It is a PDF, and it even gives you at the top the supplies that we use and the tools that you will need. And if you got any other questions, you can let me know. You get an envelope template so we can make that envelope, and you even get the mats here that you can cut out. And this does come with the tutorial only option. There's 2 PDFs. This will be the second PDF. You get 15 sheets of black cardstock. I believe this is 65 pound, 8.5 by 11. We need 14 of those, so you have one extra just in case. And here is the extra stickers we got. Simple, Vintage, Ancestry. So they are stickers, but like I said, I'm going to use them like ephemera. I'm going to cut them apart. I'm going to do different things with them there. And I love this. Love those. Okay, and then here is the 12 by 12 collection kit is what they're calling it. Well, if I can get that open. And it's on the front the whole time. That's okay. Maybe I'm not yet awake. It's pretty early this morning. Okay, so that's the front page. Look how pretty this is. Love. So let me try to get over here so you can see both sides. This is Little Flowers. It's a little bit dark in the video. It's not quite that dark, but this is so pretty. This is the one I fell in love with. I'm like, that's got to go on the front. I just had to figure out how. Look how pretty this is. They really hit this one out of the park. Look how pretty. So of course, you can decorate it the way I do in the video, or you can get this and say, oh, I really like some of the other patterns. And do it the way you want to. This is what I was showing you. See, there's one that says father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, together forever, heritage. So we are blessed. So you'll have a chance to really focus in and say, you know, this is the person I'm giving it to, or this is what I'm concentrating on if it's something for you, and you'll be able to just pull those out of there to help with your theming. It says generations on the back. Here are 3x4 cut aparts. We are family, we are blessed. This is the one that was in that I read a few minutes ago, gather together. So I use a lot of these, but isn't this cool to have like a mother one and a father one? That would be, oh, I love this masculine one. That would be neat to do one folio that has like all your mother's pictures and the other one has all your father's pictures. That would be cool too. Together we make a family, photographs and memories. Family is timeless and we are family. And then this has some big openings where you can add a photo or you could add some journaling. If someone does make one for mother and one for father, like Mother's Day, Father's Day, I would love to see that. Memories are timeless, treasures of the heart. So these are 4x4 cut aparts. And so we will also be using a lot of this. Family is everything, life stories. This one says heritage. Look at this plaid. The only thing I don't like about this kit is this plaid needs to be on some ugly paper on the other side, so I could have used a lot more plaid because I love it. So I didn't get to use a whole lot of it because I wanted to use these cut aparts. So if you've ever had a paper collection that you were not sure how to use all those different cut aparts, because this one has what, 4x4s, 2x2s, 4x6s. I use all of those in different ways, and so hopefully that will be helpful to you. Same thing with the stickers. Sometimes are like these big patterns, like what do I do with those? Okay, now here's the stickers that actually come in the collection kit. Heritage, life, we are family forever. Don't you love this one in the envelope? I just love that. And I love stickers that have these different shapes in it. I love having a good ticket. I love having these. These are very helpful. So anyway, the kit is available right now in my shop. Go and grab those up. The videos, again, start on April the 12th. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's see if there's anything else I need to tell you. Oh, let me go through the baggie. I almost forgot. I think I did that another time. This is also in your kit. You're getting 5 types of ribbon, or 5 colors, not types. We've got one that's kind of a goldish color, this rust color. There is an olive, and that's kind of hard to see on screen, but it's an olive green, a really dark green. This is black. and this is a bluish green. You can tell me which one you think that is, but I love those colors. So these I've kind of matched to go with our paper. You're going to get paper clips. You want to get smaller tags, even smaller tags. You're going to get your 2 Velcro dots to make your envelopes. And then you're going to get just a small sampling of washi tape. No one uses all the washi tape that comes in these kits, so we've kind of divided it up where you can use it in a few places. I don't even know if you noticed it in the kit, but I basically use almost everything that's on this little card here, which is what we want to do, right? We want to use it up here. And then the paper clips you will use in making those decorative paper clips, and then I also use a couple on the front of the folio. Is that it? Did I cover it all? Anyway, thank you guys, and I will see you back here mid-April, and we will get started working on the folio. So, look, I've unpacked all of it. Anyway, guys, have a good week. I hope you have a wonderful Easter, and I'll see you soon. Bye.